It is a legal requirement, and
Yes.
it is the NCT test.
Yeah.
And this is a private entity. Years ago, when this was brought in to make the roads safer.
Yeah, which it doesn't.
Which it doesn't.
Yeah.
It was farmed out. And we can say that, right? It doesn't.
It doesn't.
It was farmed out to private entities.
And let's be clear, because people will rightly accuse us of being facetious, because it's one of those things that feels like it should make a difference. We test cars, therefore things get safer. It just statistically makes pretty much no difference. The RSA's own numbers say not 10% of accidents are caused by car defects, not 5%, not 1%, 0.7%. So all of this is something of a side issue, particularly given the billions we pour into it. Despite that, we now all have to have the test, and there's now a backlog of 440,000 people waiting for the test because of the delays. Minister for State Jack Chambers has come out and said that Applus, which is the Spanish company that runs the NCT in Ireland, should be fined for this delay. Theoretically, it is possible to get your NCT for free if you're waiting more than 28 days to get it. But it's one of those things where the moon and Jupiter has to align just right to get through all the terms and conditions, because you can't have turned one down, you can't have got in touch within 7 days of your own being expired, blah, 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 blah. But if you manage to meet all of their criteria, you could get a free NCT when you eventually get your NCT.
But we're still not going to talk about the fact of why do we have an NCT. It's staying. Like, this is it. It's like the USC, it came in.
That's exactly it. And it has the feel. I mean, I said on air many years ago that just the simple factual reality that it doesn't make a big difference to road safety. And I got an extended letter from the RSA that essentially said, tut, tut. So I said, well, OK, lads, give me the evidence, and nothing ever came out of it. So there is a cynical view that says that it was originally brought in to help foster the German car industry because it keeps a turnover in cars. Does it do any harm? No, but it's a lot of effort and money to throw something that makes no difference.
Yeah, but for cars out there that actually people just drive and never get serviced.
I mean, if you look, what is it that
doesn't really happen anymore, because the insurance industry and also the tax industry are regulating that.
And cars are now so exponentially safer than they've been. Like, what are the things that, and again, let's give credit where it's due, the things that the guards, the RSA and the system has had a great success in reducing road deaths: speeding, drink driving and being young men. They're the things that cause road deaths.
And they're seeing record figures in that as well in one of the papers as well this morning. 0896 111 111. One of the guys in here this morning was telling me he registered for an NCT January 2024. That's the earliest.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, there you go. January.
That's one of 440,000 people.
We could get outside Dublin, which I did tell him, but...
yeah, but he doesn't live outside Dublin.
Crazy talk.
That's just the sort of thing.
He wasn't too sure if the car would make it that far.
There are all these